how to download KineMaster in iPhone. If you want to download KineMaster on your phone, then follow these instructions. First, open up App Store on your iPhone. After that, you will see this search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and on the search bar type in KineMaster. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official app of KineMaster, and here you can see this get button. Click on get to install it. Now after the verification, your download will be started, and it may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you'll see open button like this. Click on this open button to use KineMaster on your phone. So this is how you can download KineMaster on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.